Hello, we have this beautiful exponential equation. 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 150. What is the value of x? So now from here, I'm having this left hand side to be the same. We have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x. It means that if we factorize 5 to the power of x out, this is going to be 1 plus 1, then equals 150. Right, so from here we have 5 to the power of x. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. We have 2 equals 150. So now from here I can divide both sides by 2 to reduce this equation, right? So we're going to have 5 to the power of x multiplied by everything here will be 1. So therefore this is going to be 150 divided by 2. We're going to have 75. You can see we reduce this equation to a simplest form. Now from here, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to write or introduce, because we are looking for x, let's introduce the both sides of this equation by what? By logarithm. Introduce logarithm to this. We're going to have logarithm. We have 5 to the power of x equals now log 75. Okay, so now from here, the next thing we're going to do, you know that this x will have to multiply, come down and multiply the logarithm, then equals. Now here I want us to recall something. Recall, because we want to solve this completely. So therefore we have to do it, step by step. Okay. So now here we have log this 75. If you have log a multiplied by b, you know that this will be log a plus log what? Log b. If you remember from the law of log. So therefore we can write this log 75 can be 25. Okay, multiply by 3. Okay, using this law we have x log 5 equals, then here this can be log 25, okay, plus log 3 using this. Okay, now what's the next thing we are going to do? We have x log 5 equals, now we can rewrite this as log 25 is 5 to the power of 2 plus log what? Log 3. Are you following? So from there, we can see that we have x log 5 equals, now these two we have to multiply this then by this, log 5 plus log 3. So now from there, let's divide both sides by log 5. Okay? Divide both sides by log what? Log 5. So now this is going to cancel this. So we have x equals 2 log 5 divided by log 5, because they are both sharing the same denominator. We have log 5. So here we have x to be equals, you can see this, we cancel this. We have 2 plus, we can have this to be log of, if I want to write this as a single logarithm form, so this one here will be the log itself, that is the argument, and 5 return to what? To base. So we have what? We have the solution to be x equals, solving completely, we have x to be 2 plus log of base 5, then argument 3. So that is that, right? But let's see how we can quickly check this and see whether when you plug in this x back to the equation given to us, so we're going to get the two sides equal. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 150. So before we plug in this, so let us try to connect this together. So you can see that this is 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x 2 times. Therefore 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of what? X equals 50. So now wherever we see x, let's put what? Let's put this value we got. We have 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of x is 2 plus log base 5 3. Is this one going to give us 150? Now I want you to recall something from the law of indices. If you have log, if you have a to the power of b plus c, this is going to be a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c. If you remember, you can see this is like the power of 5, so we can split it like this. Okay, you can split it like that. Then you're going to see that we have what? We have this to be 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log base 5 3. Is this going to give us 150? Now there's another thing that I want to tell you here. So if you have a base a and the power to be logarithm with respect to base a, and you have b here, so automatically, since this is base here for this logarithm and this is base here, this we cancel this. The answer is going to be b. So now when you look at this here, you can see we have 5 log of base 5 3. So this base we cancel this base 5. Okay, that is what we're going to do. So you're going to see we have what we have 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by this, we go with this, remain 3, we have 3. Is this going to give us 150? Now 2 times 5 raised to power 2, 2 times 5 raised to power 2 is 25 multiplied by 3. Is this going to give us 150? So now 2 times 25, that is 50. 50 times 3, you can see we have 150 equals 150. That is the solution to the problem, right? So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you see more of amazing math tutorial like this. Bye bye.